What's happening, YouTube? Just thought I'd do a quick video with regards to me getting a new bike. I've got a Lexmoto Xtrs 125Cc. It's all road legal. It's got MOT until October this year, 2021. Tax at the same October this year. And yeah, it's a minter. So yeah, got all the indicators on it. It's got a Black Widow full stainless steel exhaust and downpipe. All brakes work. It's got a kick start, electric start. It's done about 16,000 miles, I think. Well, that's in kilometres, so I'm not 100%. Nice some grips on it. Yeah, it's got some decent headlights on it as well. Halo headlights. Let's show you them. So as you can see, that one lights up blue. Looks right nice at night. You've got all your lights on. And obviously you've got your high beam and your low beam. So yeah, it's got a steering lock on it, so obviously no one can just walk away with it. So it's always handy, I suppose. And it starts touching a button, as you can see. Just cut it out. Yeah. Indicators. So yeah, decent little bike. Got a bit of under seat storage as well. It's not exactly massive, but could get a bit of snap in there. Get a few tools in there, ratchet set in there. I don't know. All that you need, a smoke. Oh, so yeah, it's on as simple as that. But yeah, like I say, that's my new bike. So it's 5-speed, this one. So it's first is at bottom, then it's neutral in between, then it's second, third, fourth, fifth. So yeah, it's more of a road bike, this one. Going to be doing a lot of miles on this, I can imagine. Yeah, it's a lovely little bike. Just need to have a tinker with carb, get that air screw nice, because obviously this stainless steel exhaust and downpipe, this ain't standard. So I believe the carb is set to factory settings, so I'm going to have a tinker with that to get it right for that exhaust. Other than that, it's a case of getting this seat recovered, because as you can tell, I think it's had all the UK sitting on it. To be fair, for a 12 plate bike, it's quite tidy. So yeah, overall I'm impressed. I mean, tyres are a bit skinny like, but it is what it is. It's not a it's not a real, super bike, big super bike thing, but it gets you ready for it, I suppose. So yeah, like I say, I just want to keep this video short and sweet. Just wanted to let you all know. again, I just want to say a massive thank you for the 500 subscribers and more that I've reached over the past couple of months. It means the world to me, honestly. You know, just get me videos out there, like, share, subscribe, you know, do everything you need to do. It means everything to me. But yeah, there's going to be some more content coming now, mainly going to be on the road and stuff like that, doing a few tours and journeys. So yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.